Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Toyota Land Cruiser, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from the then unknown series. So we already unboxed one more Toyota Land Cruiser, the Toyota Land Cruiser 80, but this one is the treasure hunt, and this is only one in the box. If you are wondering, so you can see the treasure hunt logo here. So, and one more thing, let me show you the price. It's only 149 rupees, so don't buy anything more than this. Okay, so let's unbox this one and see how it looks. There goes the card. Okay, the initial impressions are looks really nice. The paint job is similar to the Toyota 80, which we have here. Paint job looks really similar. Okay, the wheels are really big, and it's actually made of plastic. And again, the headlights are just painted. It's not any kind of fiber. And again, I'm really glad that they included the rear view mirror here. This looks really clean. The paint job is really nice. It looks really clean. There are no irregularities or it doesn't look improper. Okay, so here is the treasure hunt logo if you want. It is really hard for me to show you the interior, guys, because it is really small and I don't have much lighting here. Okay, now let's do a roll test. No, not great. Not at all great. It's this looks really funny. Look at the wheel wobble. Just look at it. Look at this one, the front wheel. It just wobbles. I mean, it's not great. You can use it as a showpiece, and that looks really nice for that. It looks really clean, and yeah. And that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.